Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your language in Crunchyroll, an anime watching website. Let me show you that. First, you want to come to crunchyroll.com, the official website of Crunchyroll, and make sure you log in into your account. After you log in into your account, at the top you can see your profile picture. I haven't uploaded anything, that's why it's showing me this. So click on it and it's going to show you all this option. Click on the option where it says My Account. Once you click on My Account, make sure you go on this Preference tab. And under Preference tab, it's going to show you all the languages. You can choose if you want to change your display language from English to anything else, or if you want your video, like your subtitles or audio, to be changed from English to like Japanese or something else, or if you want your subtitles to not be English, you want it to be another language, you can choose that as well. And from over here you can turn on closed caption or all that. All the setting which you want to change, regarding your language, you can do it from the Preference tab over here, and whichever language you choose, that language is going to be set. So after you choose all the language you want, you can just go back to Crunchyroll or reload your page and your settings will be set. So that is basically how you guys can change your language on Crunchyroll. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos regarding Crunchyroll. I'll see you guys next time.